Huda Beauty, crack the code and unlock the vault. I spent hours in this queue. It was well worth it. They gave away free water, marshmallows, and if you asked a question and got it right, you won a free Huda Beauty product. And of course a sample of the Easy Bake Intense perfume. And luckily for me, I was able to crack the code on my second try, and with just 5 seconds to spare, I was able to win the Easy Bake Intense perfume 50 ml.
Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things